For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop using 5 different kitchen tools. This 6-in-1 stand mixer just replaced all of them. I'm telling you this from real experience. I've used many mixers for dough, cream, meat grinding, and prep work, and having all these functions in one setup saves a surprising amount of time. With a 7.4 QA stainless steel bowl, 450-watt motor, 6 speeds, and a clear LCD control panel, it gives you stable power and accurate control. The planetary mixing motion keeps ingredients moving evenly, which I noticed right away when preparing a thick dough batch. No clumps, no dry pockets. Why people love it. Kneads dough, whips, slices, grinds meat, stuffs sausages, and mixes, all in one. Bold heating helps the dough rise faster. Auto stop LCD makes mixing simple and precise. Tilt head design for easy access, and dishwasher-safe attachments for fast cleanup. One thing I personally appreciated was the stability. When you're kneading heavier dough, the suction cups really keep the mixer from shaking around. And because cleanup is quick, you actually use it more often, not just once a week. If you cook daily, this is a real upgrade. Whether you prep meals, bake often, or just want faster cooking with better consistency, this mixer brings real value to your kitchen without extra hassle.